Welcome to the School of Industriales from Universidad Politécnica de Madrid. I am Andrés Díaz Lantada.
And I am Adrián López. We are here today to show you what we are actually working on within the BIOMET4D project. So join us.
Let's go. So Adrián, here we are in the lab with the different printing machines. Please tell us about your research with the beautiful origami structures.
Basically are these kind of structures which can deform and shape with different shapes. What we are working on is to define what movements we want to have with them, and also at the same time define how we want them to degrade and to act within the patient. We have several kind of structures, and we are currently designing much more, and we are able to, as I told you, correlate their degradation with the metal degradation, and at some time we want them to be inside a human body and to help people with their illness. Now, can you tell us what UPM is currently working on inside the BIOMET project?
The role of UPM is, first of all, leading work package 1, which is the design of innovative shape-morphing principles. So design not only for additive manufacturing, design for four-dimensional printing. We are trying to design innovative concepts so that printed devices can evolve with the patients, changing their shape according to the healing or growth process of these patients. But please, Adrián, tell us also about your role as a researcher within the project, because in the end, it's the younger researchers who bring these ideas into life.
Okay, so as you said, we are working in working package 1, and inside this package we are divided into different kind of mechanisms to activate biodegradation. And inside the part of origami, we are currently developing mechanisms that can grow and expand in a way that we can accomplish the requirements we have in terms of solving the problem with chronic synostosis and with skin expansion. As a researcher for BIOMET, I usually start the design process with a CAD model, and I start designing all the prototypes we will be later on printing here in the lab. Once the prototype is done, we have to test it and to see how it moves when it's degrading. So we put them in water, and we take a video on how the prototype gets bigger or how it moves, and we calibrate it and see if it fulfills the needs we have been asked for. As a researcher for BIOMET4D, the main idea that comes to my mind every time I think about why I work in this project is because of the fact that every prototype we are producing right now, we are manufacturing and working on, will be at some point helping people, and that's something that really motivates me and in general the entire team.
I like very much that BIOMET4D, being an European project, has a sort of magic, because in the end it brings together researchers from many different backgrounds, experiences, perspectives, even cultural contexts.
The team is really multicultural. We are in several countries, people from everywhere.
And this enriches very much any project, and BIOMET4D stands out for this.
And we are working together to achieve a unique goal, which is something that no one did before.